Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hari the Mariner. Friends, today we are going to discuss very important and very fantastic topic you can never see in any YouTube channel. Okay, so today we are going to ships CO2 alarm system, troubleshooting and how the system is that. Okay, so now I am going to the fire station. This is our fire control station for the ships. So the this alarm is very important in the ship. Okay, so I am just opening the fire control station and I close. Now you can see this is the alarm relay box. Okay, this is the high pressure CO2 system alarm relay box. Why this alarm is given in the engine room in the cargo hold? Okay, so it is very important, very important in the ships. Okay, if there is a suppose fire inside the cargo hold. Now in this video we are going to discuss first. I will explain you what are the importance of this alarm. Okay, after that I will discuss you the circuit diagram, how the system is that, and how the alarm is activated. Okay, this is very important. So first of all I will tell you why this alarm is important. If there is a suppose fire inside the cargo hold. Okay, is there is fire inside the cargo hold. So and you decided that ship staff is decided that need to put the CO2, need to release the CO2 in particular cargo hold. Okay, suppose cargo hold number 2, and there people are working, crew are working inside the cargo hold number 2 or cargo hold number 3. So how we know that there is somebody? So before releasing the CO2, before activating this main, opening the main wall for the cargo hold, alarm will start inside the all cargo hold. So you have to escape from the cargo hold and go to the fire control station. Okay, so this alarm, once you heard the CO2 alarm, except from any emergency job. Okay, whatever you are doing, you have to leave that and you have to go on the fire control station. Okay, so first of all I will discuss you how the system is working. So this I have the circuit diagram for the CO2 alarm system. Now I am opening. I will start from here. Now ship staff is decided that, master and chief engineer is decided that, and we have to release the CO2 system. Okay, so how the CO2 system is released, that for that I will make the another video. Okay, so how the alarm is activated. Now you can see this is the circuit diagram for the engine room. Okay, this is the engine room. There is the limit switch. Okay, this is the emergency generator room, limit switch. This is this one, and I will discuss you in this video. We are going to mostly discuss on the cargo hold. Okay, once you open the cargo hold wall, you can see there is a small limit switch main wall CO2 room for the cargo hold. Once you open the main wall for the cargo hold CO2, so this is the limit switch. This is normally open and this will get closed. Once this is closed, once this limit switch is closed, when this limit switch is closed, when you open the wall, the limit switch will be closed. I will show you exactly where this is wall and what is the limit switch. Okay, in this video I will show you. Once you open, this limit switch will be closed. After closing this limit switch, here you have already power supply. You can see this is the 220 line, this is the 220 line. Okay, coming to here, but this is open. Now if you open the wall, and this contact will get, normally open contact will get closed, and it will activate the R6 relay. So once the R6 relay is activated, you can go to the next drawing. Okay, go to the next sheet. You can see here, if R6 relay is activated, you can see this R6 relay activated, normally open contact will become closed, and power will go through this fuse through the your solenoid valve. Okay, this is the ear horn alarm system for the CO2. Now this solenoid wall is here, okay, that I will show you once we are going in the passageway. I will show you this solenoid wall is activated and this wall is open. So air is coming through here. If solenoid wall is activated and air will go to the horn, and in that particular cargo hold, suppose cargo hold number 2, the alarm will be activated. Okay, how it will activated I will show you exactly. Okay, so I will explain you first. I will show you where is the R6 relay. You can see here I am opening this panel alarm relay box, and you can see this is the R6 relay. Okay, when the R6 relay is energized, once you open the main cargo hold wall, that wall I will show you. And these are the all fuses. Where is the F12 is for the F12 is for cargo hold number 2. You can see here also. Okay, cargo hold number 2 F12 is the fuse, and if fuse is blown out, so alarm will not go, alarm will not activate. Why? Because your solenoid valve will not energize. This is very important. You have to check once it is coming in the uh, fleet management system, that FMS. In regular basis you have to check the alarms. Okay, once you activate the open the main solenoid valve, so here you can see CO2 release in a cargo hold. This light will be activated, this light will be led, and there is the alarm in all cargo hold. Okay, this is very important circuit, my friend. So how to troubleshoot if you are testing the alarm and you did not get the alarm? Okay, so how you can troubleshoot, as we explained the initially, according to the circuit diagram. You can see if you cannot get the alarm once the wall is opening, so maybe the problem is the limit switch, that limit switch is not closing, so you have to check the limit switch. Okay, and if limit switch is okay, still not alarm is activated, go to check the R6 relay. This is the R6 relay, you have to check. After that relay is okay, a limit switch is okay, then you have to check the fuse. Okay, this is the F12 fuse. Okay, so this is the F12 fuse. So like this, you can see now I am going to the passageway, and I will show you before that main wall for the CO2 room also, and then after that I am going to the passageway, and we will activate the alarm and we see the sound inside the cargo hold. So guys, I am entering inside the CO2 room, and I will show you the most important wall in the CO2 room, that is the main wall, and where is the limit switch is located. So just briefly I will explain you how the CO cargo hold CO2 system. In detail I will make the another video. You can watch this video also, how to release the CO2 inside the cargo hold. So procedure to release the CO2 inside the cargo hold. But here I will just explain in the brief. This is the cargo hold number 5. You can see this is the three-way wall. Once you open this one, open this one, open this one, all three wall, and this is the line going to inside the cargo hold. Okay, now where is the main wall? You can see this is the pipe, this is the pipe, this pipe is connected to here. So this is the main wall for the cargo hold system. And now this is, you can see the limit switch for the main wall for the cargo hold system. Now this is in the closed position, but contact is in open position. Once you open, you can see open, for open, or push the handle up. So push the handle up, push the handle up, the valve will open, and that limit switch is also open, and contact inside the limit switch will get closed. Once the contact will get closed, so your R6 relay will energize, and R6 relay contact will get closed, and alarm will trigger inside the cargo hold. So you have to escape from the cargo hold. So guys, this is the main valve for the CO2 system. Now I am going to the passageway and I will show you where is the solenoid valve and how the system is, how the air is passing towards the air horn. Okay, thank you. So guys, I am already here inside the passageway, and as per I explained in the drawing, you can see this is the air is coming from the air compressor, and this is the small ball valve. Okay, what is the purpose of this small ball valve? If you want to work on this system, suppose you have something problem with solenoid or this spool or this regulator, so you can close this ball valve and you can operate, you can repair this one. Okay, so as per I explained in the circuit diagram, this is the solenoid valve. Now air is already here, you can see air is already here, but air will cannot pass from here to the alarm. You see the alarm inside the cargo hold, this pipe is going inside the cargo hold. Okay, for the horn, air horn inside the cargo hold, CO2 alarm, correct? So air now still here, now air cannot pass after the solenoid valve because solenoid valve is not active. So now I will tell my assistant to open the main CO2 valve for the cargo hold, then limit switch is close this contact and R6 relay will energize and this solenoid valve will be open. Okay, and air will pass to the horn. Okay, so now we are going to open the solenoid valve. Subodh, coming Subodh.
Let's go ahead.
Can you open now? Now you can see once you open, alarm is coming inside the cargo hold. Okay, alarm coming, I see the alarm coming. Now wall is closed, correct?
Yes, now all is closed.
Okay. Now you can see wall is closed and you see the CO2 alarm. If you heard this alarm and you are working inside the cargo hold, so you have to escape from this area. Okay? Okay? So this is very important alarm. So how to troubleshoot it, you can see. And just now we have problem in the number 2 cargo hold. So number 2 cargo hold, this solenoid valve is not activated, but still air is passing because of this spool inside this solenoid valve is stuck. Okay, so we already repaired that one. So how it is, just say watch the another in next coming session, so you can understand what is this spool and what is inside the spool. Okay, thank you very much. You can see I open this diaphragm and this is the spool inside. You can see this is the spool, this may be stuck inside the wall, and this is the diaphragm for this wall. Just I opening this diaphragm, and once I open I found there is too much dust inside the diaphragm. So once I will clean, we will put back and we will see it may be not leaking. Okay, so this is very simple system. This is the spool inside the wall. Okay.